This is a short tutorial on how to create a final report for CT, MRI, nuclear medicine or any other medical imaging examinations. You need to have a valid subscription and a registered radiologist to create a report. Log in as a radiologist and go to Modality Worklist or PACS. Select your patient from the work list. Complete any required fields. You can use voice dictation or enter the information manually. Tap Next. If applicable, enter information regarding previous imaging for comparison. Enter the findings. Enter the impression. The management field is optional. Tap Next to preview the final report. To print a hard copy of your report, tap Share icon. Select your printer, adjust your settings as desired, and tap Print. To send your report to PACS, tap Export icon and select Yes, Send to PACS. To learn more about how to share your report, watch tutorial on how to save and share report or worksheet. That's it. Now you know how to create a report for any medical imaging examinations.